Very good morning, students. Today I am making a video of calculate packing fraction. So first of all I will tell you what is the meaning of the packing fraction. See here, packing fraction means how much the space we have covered, that is the packing fraction. How much the space we have covered, that is packing fraction. Okay, packing fractions calculate with respect to 1, whereas packing efficiency is respect to 100. Packing fraction is equals to volume occupied by atom upon volume of unit cell. A volume occupied by atom can be calculated how much the area was covered, that is come on the numerator side. This is called as packing fraction. Packing efficiency means volume occupied by atom, volume of unit cell into 100. So here the some spaces are left. So these are left and how much space is covered, that is said to be the packing efficiency. In a packing efficiency, we are again tell you about the simple unit cell. We have made this unit lattice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. So here edge length we have taken as A edge length we have taken. Volume of unit cell is equals to find out by length, width and height such as A cube. Means all the sides we have taken as A cube. That's why this is the edge length. What is the relation between edge length and the radius in simple unit cell? That is already we have completed. Edge length is equals to 2r. Now in note we have to write down this. Atom is always spherical, so to find out its volume, it is volume is equals to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the sphere. Next we have to find out unit cell is 1. Then what about the packing efficiency? It is volume occupied by unit cell upon volume of unit cell. So volume occupied by unit cell means how much it's cover? 1. 4 upon 3 pi r cube, that's a volume, upon A cube, that is the edge length. Values we have put it. After putting the value A 2r, then we have cutted the things. It is coming as 0.52, and above of it, it is coming when we are multiplying with 100, it is coming as 52%. Okay. Next we are telling about body centered unit cell. In a body centered unit cell means one atom is 8 atom is on corners of one atom on the body. Already we have tell edge length A, radius r. So relation between A and r is equals to root 3 upon 4a. Rank is 2, atom is 4, volume or 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So its packing fraction is volume occupied by atom upon volume of unit cell. The value I have put it here. After putting the value, it is coming here as 68%. By this 0, when we are multiplying it with 100, it is coming as 0.68. Then we do the round off, it is coming as 68%. Now next we are telling about the face unit cell. On a face unit cell, 8 on the corners and face 6 are on the faces. Already edge length is A cube, radius and root 2a by 4. A we have to find out 4r upon root 2, rank of unit cell 4. Packing fraction, volume occupied by atom upon volume of unit cell. Putting the formula 4 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube A cube. Packing fraction, this we are telling, and it is coming as 3.14 root 2 and 3. It is coming here by multiplying with 100, it is coming 0.74. When we are multiplying with 100, it is coming as 74%. Now, if we will ask to you about the voids in FCC, the voids which is present in FCC 100 minus 74, it is coming as 26%. So, this is a packing fraction we have completed today. Understood? So, these things you can write down in your copy. This is a homework. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.